Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel. So with One UI 8.5 update, Samsung has added a lot of new exclusive customization features in GoodLock app. And honestly guys, some of them are actually very useful features. So in this video, I will tell you all the new exclusive feature which has been added in One UI 8.5 GoodLock app. So without further delay, let's get started. Okay, first let's talk about the feature which everyone is talking about right now. Open GoodLock. After that, tap on Home plugin, then tap on home screen. Scroll down, you will see an option called large folder. Tap on it. Here you will see a new option called custom. Tap on it. Now if you select custom, this is where things become really interesting, because now you can resize folder exactly like the widgets. You want a horizontal folder, you can do it. You want a vertically folder, you can also do it. You can also stretch the folder, and also you can shrink the folder. You can also make the folder bigger, make them compact, basically full freedom. But here is the best part. You can now swipe left and right inside the folder itself, which means you can access more apps without opening the full folder page. And honestly, this makes home screen feels way modern and clean. This alone already feels like a huge upgrade. What do you think, guys? Now next, let's talk about LockStar. In One UI 8.5, Samsung has finally added a dedicated section for unlock animation, and this is something many people wanted for a long time. Inside LockStar, you can now get around 7 different unlock effects. Effects like the slide, expand, spread, wave, ripple, etc. And yes, they actually look really smooth. And also Samsung has finally added manual AOD brightness controls. Yes guys, for the first time you can manually change always on display brightness yourself. Okay, so this is also a new features which is added in GoodLock app in One UI 8.5. And this is, I think, exclusive for One UI 8.5. This feature doesn't work in One UI 8. Now let's talk about QuickStar, because Samsung actually added some really useful features here in QuickStart. And honestly, some of these changes make the Quick panel feels way more customizable than before. First, Samsung has added a brand new panel style section, which means now you can customize the entire Quick panel background directly inside QuickStar. And not just colors, you can now apply custom images and different style to individual elements. For example, you can customize the button box, media player, brightness slider, volume slider, and other control sections separately. So basically, Quick panel can now have a completely different look compared to stock One UI. Samsung also added customization for individual quick settings buttons, meaning you can apply custom style and images directly to toggles like a Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, sound, and more. And honestly, this gives a very unique look to a control center. There's also a new border option which you can turn on and off. So if your custom items are enabled, you can choose whether active buttons should show border or not, which honestly helps a lot with visibility and clear layout. Now moving to advanced settings section, Samsung has added a new show bar levels feature, and finally brightness and volume slider can now show exact number value directly on the bar. So now you don't have to guess the percentage anymore. And honestly, this entire QuickStar update feels much more polished and powerful compared to the older One UI 8.0. And now finally, let's talk about the new Enhance X plugin feature, because honestly Samsung is slowly turning GoodLock into something much bigger than just customization. With One UI 8.5, Samsung added a new plugin system, which basically means instead of putting every feature inside one heavy app, Samsung is now spreading features into different installation plugin. And one of the biggest example of this is new Galaxy Enhance X app. Now inside the plugin section, you will find multiple Enhance X tools directly integrated into GoodLock. First, there is Cinematic Glow. The feature basically adds a more cinematic lighting effect to videos. Then there's Sky Guide, and honestly this is super cool for people who love taking photos at night. And there is also a plugin called Film Style, where I think there is total 9 new amazing unique filters which you can use for editing photos or videos, I guess. So yeah, guys, Samsung is clearly trying to expand GoodLock beyond just the UI customization. Alright guys, these are all the new One UI 8.5 GoodLock features which are very useful and very powerful. And I think there are more small new features which has been added in GoodLock plugins, but I think these are the biggest feature. Okay, so guys, please let me know in the comment which is your favorite feature of One UI 8.5 GoodLock plugins. Okay, let me know in the comment. And guys, which feature did I missed? Please also that let me know in the comment. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day. Meet you in my next video. Bye. Take care. And subscribe if you have a Samsung phone.